We're at the dressing room?
Yeah.
Right, let's go to the stage. Nearly there.
Left. Definitely left here.
This is a proper tap. Nearly there. Need some drumsticks to bang, stage and dressing room.
What's that step?
Mind the step. Oh, cross, there it is. Yeah, look at it. So I've got my torch on for you. Good evening, Cleveland.
They might do me up though, isn't that? Hey? All these doors and everything. Yeah. Oh, it's getting better now.
Fire exit. Nearly there. Oh, nice, isn't it? This is seriously the way to the stage. Seriously.
Auction office for the years, isn't it? Oh, you ain't got it.
Different stage, mate.
Oh, this way. Alright. Oh, see that one in there? You've seen the stage there, no?
No?
Fucking massive.
Well, it will be.
We're not at the stage yet. We're nearly at the gig. Nearly in. We're here.
See further than the first time.
Do you think... Good one.
Right.
My beer's out there.
I've got no fucking whatsoever.
Not going out, is it?
Phone your missus, Stan.